Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to check if your phone has been hacked. First, open Settings, scroll down, and go to Google. Tap on your Google account and go to the Security tab. The first thing to check is security activity. See if there are any unwanted actions. If yes, tap on it to check the details, and if something seems strange, tap Secure Account and proceed. The second thing to check is your Google account sessions. Open it and check if any unwanted person is logged into your account. If yes, tap on it and you can sign out that session from your phone. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe or comment, and goodbye.